Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Facebook comments from certain friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, open your Facebook app. And for example, I want to hide the comments from this post. All you're gonna need to do is to click the three dots and then go to Edit Privacy. Now make sure that it is public and then go back, click again the three dots and then go to Who Can Comment on Your Post. Now select the profiles and pages you mentioned and then click Done. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.